Guys, welcome to my channel React Native Code. Today we are implementing React Native normal button in your existing React Native product. So we have a registration screen. User enter their first name, last name, phone number, and email ID, and also entering their password. And user can also select the countries. Then here we need to show the button. So let's go to the Chrome. Here you can see the library React Native normal button, and you can use yarn or npm copy, then go to your project, then go and paste it here, press enter. Then you can see it's taking some time to install the library. Now the library installed successfully. Go to your registration screen code. Here we need to show the button. uh, Here a code, just pushing here, and this is screen here. Now you can easily see the changes into this. Now here we need to use a button from this class React Native normal button, then close. Then here we need to show essential props. Click on quick fix, then label and on press button we need it's required. So in the on press, remove this and pass your function name. I already have a handle submit button. Now you pass your label here, sign up, and save. Now you can see the magic. Here is showing sign up button. It's very easy to implement. After that, if you want to customize your button styles, you can use button style property. Now you can pass the background color black. Now you see the background color of the button is changed. And if you want to remove the border radius, just need to pass here border radius 0. Now you can see the border radius is removed. That if you want to change your text property, same thing you can do with the help of text style. So here you can change the color of your text color. I'm passing here like black color hash 00, and here we need to change the background color to black to white. And here you can also pass the border with 1 and border with the border color. Yes, here is the property. Now we are passing border with color 0 black. Now you can see the magic. Here you can see, and you can hide this border radius. Now you can see the border radius and the border color. So guys, I think you see it's not showing to the simulator properly because the UI issue. So you can pass border with 2. Now you can see, and also you can increase the font size of your text, like I'm passing 15, like 20, we try to pass 16. Now you can pass your border line height like 14. same. Okay, so you can adjust by this. Now you can also pass font weight, bold, and if you need some shadow, so you can also pass the elevation here like 10. Now you can see some shadow is showing there. Ah, now you can guys remove all these properties also. You can also use the existing properties which we have. Now you see, it's very easy to use and easy to implement. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.